How to delete your Pinterest account permanently. This tutorial will show you the fastest way to remove your Pinterest profile and delete all your Pinterest data. First, open the Pinterest app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Account Management. Now, scroll down and tap Delete Your Data and Account. Pinterest will show a warning explaining that deleting your account is permanent and will remove your boards, pins, followers, and all associated account data. If you're sure you want to continue, tap Continue. Pinterest may ask you to choose a reason for leaving. Select any option and tap Send Email. At this point, your account is not deleted yet. Pinterest will send a confirmation email to the email address linked to your account. Open that email and click the account deletion link. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and permanently delete your Pinterest account. Keep in mind that once the deletion is finalized, all of your Pinterest content and account information will be removed. And that's how to delete a Pinterest account permanently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tutorials.